Many people across the country in restaurants and basements, etc., have drop-in ceilings. And they like to put our tin panels into their drop-in ceilings, and the question becomes, I have these white grids, what do I do with them? Well, it's a very simple answer to take a 2-inch roller and paint them. This is our burgundy wine gloss panel. This one's a beautiful finish, and obviously you would want to drop this into a white grid system. So we're going to show you how we do this, and this would be a difficult color to match. On our website we have faux finishing techniques for most of our colors. Some of them are antiques, such as antique silver, which is simply putting silver on there and antiquing it with black lacquer gloss, a can of it from Home Depot, made by Rust-Oleum, and it turns the grids into antique silver. And this can be done again in any color.
What I've done is, again, the burgundy wine is a little bit of a tricky color to match. And what I'm using, I just went to Home Depot, I got this Shoreline, actually it's a 3-inch roller, and I also got one of these edge touch-up painters like this. And I used this around the perimeter because it was, kind of hard to get the roller in there, but I've already painted all that. I just masked it off with this masking tape that doesn't leave a residue. So I've already done all that, but what I wanted to really show was the 3-inch roller and basically how easy it is to paint the grid. So I'm just generally going to have to use 2 coats, but I'm just rollering this on the grid like so. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I ended up putting 2 coats of this paint on the whole grid here. And this is, again, our burgundy wine gloss panel. And I've dropped it into the grid and clipped it down so it sits in there real nice. It's a pretty good match. Again, this is a hard color to match, but we just wanted to show here, that it's really not a very complicated process to paint your own grid. It's a simple process, and that's pretty much what we wanted to convey today.
There you go.